Who are you bringing together in your Mighty Network? And what are the results and transformation that you will all achieve together? That is what we want to think about when we think about the big purpose of your Mighty Network, the pitch for your Mighty Network, the reason that you are building community. And the first aspect of your big purpose is your ideal member. Luckily, we've got a simple formula for you to crystallize exactly who this person is that you're inviting to your Mighty Network. And that person is a human in transition. Bringing people together that are navigating a transition in their life is vital because these are the people that will join your courses, attend your events, and most importantly, create lifelong connections with one another. These are people that are looking to make connections as they look to achieve their best year ever, which is the second aspect of your big purpose. Your best year ever is one of the most energizing aspects when you start creating the strategy for a Mighty Network, and that's because it's fun. You get to imagine things, inspire yourself and your members, and get yourself hyped about all the amazing things that your members will achieve together. And there's just one simple question that you have to answer. What can you and your members do a year from now that they can't do today? Brainstorm results as well as memorable specifics and focus specifically on the progress and results that your members will see in their life. The transformation that will naturally happen when members who are in similar transitions work together, connect, and engage. And both of these two aspects come together to create your big purpose. The reason why your ideal members, who are the people that need your community the most right now, will show up, pay, engage, contribute, and build those relationships with one another. Now, the best big purposes are specific, so think about that person in transition and exactly what pieces come together to form their best year ever. And that's it. Your big purpose is one simple sentence: who you are bringing together and what the results and transformation that you will achieve together is. So once again, make sure to focus on ideal members that are in a transition, because that's when they're the most likely to join your community and to sign up for a membership. And then define what success looks like, what that best year ever looks like for your ideal members. Now, the best part about this all is that here at Mighty, you can do this all directly within the platform. Go ahead and click on your profile and then open up admin. From there, check out your big purpose under setup. And here you can generate your big purpose. It is the pitch for your Mighty Network. And if you want to use our big purpose generator, all you need to know is who you want to bring together, a few words or a phrase, and we will go ahead and generate that big purpose for you.